No. Yeah, no, I understand. Look, I've got a call now, so let's just pick this up in a few. I can't deal with this right now. Wait, what? No, don't you get it? I need root access immediately to 300 machines. Look, I got a call. I'll call you back. I'll call you back, okay? Oh, hey, Robbie. I didn't realize you were there. I swear, I'm never going to get these installs, patches, upgrades done, man. By the time I finish, this next version will be out. You know what it's like.
Well, I used to. Are you telling me you're still managing your own application workflow infrastructure?
Well, yeah, man, how else would I do it?
We went with BMC Helix Control-M months ago and haven't looked back.
SaaS? For application workflow orchestration?
Absolutely. Isn't it time to eliminate the chaos and elevate your IT?